We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can format an SD card on this MIBAO D100 IP camera. So if you would like to wipe your memory card clean and erase all files and data that it has, all your previous camera recordings, alerts, alarms, and so on, first launch the IPC360 app, then go into the camera settings. Here open the TF card info and tap at the Format Memory Card button. Then confirm. Allow some time for your camera to be restarted so those changes will be applied and will take a proper effect, since every manipulation that you make with an SD card on this camera, you will need to reboot the camera itself afterwards. So right now the camera is offline, as I can clearly see. So it will need about 15 to 20 seconds to boot itself back up. So wait, and once it will be active again, your memory card will be clean.
Camera ready.
And well. Anyway, that'll be it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.